Are you ready to embark on an adventure through the land of smiles? Thailand is renowned for its rich culture, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality, making it a top destination for travelers from around the globe. But with so many incredible cities to explore, where should you start? Join us as we uncover the top 5 cities to visit in Thailand, each offering its own unique charm and allure. From bustling metropolises to tranquil seaside retreats, these cities are sure to leave you enchanted and eager to explore. Number 5. Chiang Mai, the Rose of the North. Nestled amidst mist-covered mountains in northern Thailand, Chiang Mai is a haven for culture and adventure seekers alike. Explore the ancient temples and vibrant markets of the old city. Trek through lush jungle landscapes, and immerse yourself in the local way of life at the renowned Sunday walking street market. With its laid-back atmosphere and stunning natural beauty, Chiang Mai offers travelers an unforgettable journey through the heart of Thailand's culture and heritage. Number 4. Pattaya, the beachside playground. Venture to the shores of the Gulf of Thailand and discover the vibrant city of Pattaya, known for its bustling nightlife and pristine beaches. Relax on the golden sands of Jomtien Beach, explore the bustling walking street, and embark on a snorkeling adventure to discover the colorful marine life of nearby Koh Larn. Whether you're seeking relaxation or excitement, Pattaya offers travelers a perfect blend of sun, sea, and endless entertainment. Number 3. Phuket, the Pearl of the Andaman. Escape to the tropical paradise of Phuket, where turquoise waters, palm-fringed beaches, and vibrant nightlife await. Explore the bustling streets of Patong, relax on the pristine shores of Kata Beach, and embark on a boat tour to discover the hidden gems of nearby Phi Phi Islands. With its stunning natural beauty and an endless array of activities, Phuket offers travelers an unforgettable island getaway unlike any other. Number 2. Krabi, nature's playground. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of Krabi, a coastal province renowned for its towering limestone cliffs, crystal clear waters, and secluded beaches. Explore the stunning landscapes of Railay Beach, embark on a kayaking adventure through mangrove forests, and discover the hidden lagoons and caves of Ao Phang Na National Park. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Krabi offers travelers a paradise of natural wonders waiting to be explored. Number 1. Bangkok, the City of Angels. Taking the top spot on our list is the vibrant and bustling metropolis of Bangkok, where ancient traditions and modern innovations collide in a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and flavors. Explore the ornate temples of Wat Phra Kaew and Wat Arun, shop till you drop at the bustling markets of Chatuchak and Chinatown, and indulge in the city's world-renowned street food scene. With its vibrant culture, rich history, and an endless array of attractions, Bangkok offers travelers an unforgettable journey through the heart and soul of Thailand. There you have it, our top 5 cities to visit in Thailand. Whether you're exploring the ancient temples of Chiang Mai, relaxing on the pristine beaches of Phuket, or immersing yourself in the vibrant culture of Bangkok, Thailand offers travelers an unforgettable journey through some of the most captivating cities in Southeast Asia. Have you had the pleasure of visiting any of these cities? Share your experiences in the comments below and let us know your favorite memories and recommendations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration and tips. Until next time, happy travels!